never owned a shower screen. I've never owned a dishwasher. Oh, hello, hi! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelly and I need to reset my house. It's a mess, it's a nightmare. Well, it's not a nightmare, it's just lived in. Extremely. And I need to fix that. I also thought this would be a great excuse to go to Kmart, because I need to get some things for the reset. I need to get some cleaning supplies, some bits and bobs, and I also just want to have a look at the new decor that they've got going on. I just realized how dirty my car is. Like, look at the dust. Oh, that's bad. I'm on the hunt for the bubble glasses. They're going to be here in front of me. They said they were in stock. I found it. They're these ones here, going in my basket. Those are the matching plates. Like, I don't mind them, but I don't need them. There's a difference. This would be such a cute little fruit bowl. I can't get it out, but it's like a little flower. Wait, these are cute. I haven't been to Kmart in like a whole month, so I'm a little excited. It's a little itty bitty cast iron casserole. That's so cute. I'm saying everything's cute. I'm sorry, it's a disease. Oh, speaking of cute, that is adorable. If that came in pink, I might be in trouble. But it doesn't, so we're safe. Such a liar. They said they didn't have these in store online. I didn't measure the linen closet because like it said there was none in stock online. So I was like, oh, I won't need to measure it. There's none in stock. Bitch, please. Do I just buy some and then hope for the best? It's so cute. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna buy them. Look at these bottle brushes. They're cool. Perfect for the bathroom, sink, shower. Do I need this? Will this come in handy? I need one of these for a sink. I've actually been eyeing off this vase for the longest time. This is really nice too, and it's tall. I love a tall vase. Okay, wait, I was literally just bypassing the kids section and I found the cutest tea ever. It says chillin', a little chilly. Kids section kind of pops off, not gonna lie. Like, this is cute as. Oh, Tyler bought me some flowers while I was gone. I love that man so much. Oh my god. I wanted to give you a mini Kmart haul. Just quickly, just real quick. 2 baskets. Hopefully these fit in my linen closet. We're gonna find out. The glasses. I think that's so pretty. And funnily enough, we actually needed, I love how I say I'm gonna give you a quick haul and I just can't stop yapping. We actually needed some more glasses because we bought some highball ones. I mean, these aren't highball ones, but I smashed a couple of them. Not on purpose, but just like getting them in and out of the dishwasher, putting them on the sink. You know, they're very fragile. They crack very easily. So we kind of needed some more glasses. Am I just using that as an excuse? Maybe. This bathroom glove, little dish brush. And then I also got this little chili shirt. It says chillin' and it's got a little chili on it. I was supposed to be productive yesterday and I wasn't. So I have promised that today we are going to be productive, 100%, pinky swear. So I thought, what better way to be productive than to do a bit of TLC. I have been blessed with a lot of goodies from 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺, who is sponsoring today's video, which I'm so incredibly grateful for because my skin is thanking you. If you don't know, 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰ℎ𝑣 is the online retailer for all your K-beauty, Asian beauty needs and essentials. And they're also a really great price as well. I had no idea. I've been living under a rock. I've got all the new launches, all the trends, all the TikTok favorites, everything. I also have a little discount code as well. It's Shelly12, and that's going to get you 12% off your Australian orders over $85. So go treat yourself, boo. You deserve it. I'll give you guys a little haul in a second, but let's do my skincare. I don't know what that looks like from the back. Not my business. All right, so we're going to use the whipped cleanser. It also is a face mask as well. So I love a little 2-in-1. Helps like problem areas, acne, all that kind of stuff. So we are going to be focusing on my problem area. My chin. It smells amazing and it feels so good. And I only have to leave it on for a minute. Oh, it like foams up a bit. Oh my god, that feels amazing. I feel like I've been freshly born. Just reborn. Red Snow Innisfree Serum. I love this stuff. I know this is gonna make my skin feel so good. And I'm gonna get the neck as well. I always forget the neck. Also gonna use this eye cream from Skin 1004. Oh, look at that applicator. Probably only need $1. And here I am using a lot of it. Innisfree ceramide cream. I got 2 of these, by the way, because I love it so much. And the best thing about this is you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. It's so nice. A little bit of this lip balm on. They did have Laneige on their website as well, but I thought I would try something different. It's really sweet. I love that. I feel so fresh right now. I'm feeling rejuvenated. I feel like I can clean a whole entire house. I just want to say a massive thank you to 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺 for sponsoring today's video. I'm so incredibly grateful. Like, cheers to you. My skin is thanking you. Like, she's hydrated, she's glowy. She thanks you. All right, I'm gonna give you a little haul of everything quickly. Whipped cleansers, Skin 0014 eye cream, duo cleansing toning pads. Innisfree, my baby. We have the retinol serum, eye cream, another eye cream, 2 ceramide creams. This little lip sleeping mask. It's actually a hair care range. So we have a heat protectant and we have like a smoothing anti-frizz serum. It smells amazing, by the way. I got an Innisfree hair oil serum. I don't know how to say this brand, but cleansing oil and a cleansing foam. Shampoo and conditioner. I just really love these bottles. Hair removal cream. Comes with a little spatula. I'm just really curious about this. If I don't have to shave my legs anymore, bless. Eye patches. 345 cream. Got a skin relief essence. And we also have another eye serum. Can't have too many, trust me. Clay mask, but it's in a stick. Again, from the brand Whipped. This one is just a cleansing balm, so it just kind of melts off the makeup. And then, lucky last, Medicube night mask. This is so viral on TikTok, but you put it on at nighttime, and in the morning you peel it off. And that was everything that I got from 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰𝑨𝑳𝑺. I'm so incredibly grateful, by the way. Like, thank you, 𝑺𝑶𝑪𝑰ℎ. So I'm gonna go pop on some makeup, and we're gonna clean this bitch. Guys, I genuinely cannot tell you how excited I am to own a dishwasher. I've never owned a dishwasher until living in this house, and it is a game changer. You know when you've like cooked something on a pan and it is impossible to clean, like no matter how much you scrub and hack at it, there's always something still on the pan or like discoloration or something. Like it's just never the same. A dishwasher, I put a pan in here and it comes out brand new. Like it's so cool. It's so great. It's so cool. Like that needs a bit of a scrub, right? Which I'll do in the sink, but that is just delicious. Now I'm gonna actually do some dishes and clean this sink. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, obviously it needs a bit of a scrub, but we're gonna tackle the shower screen first. I've never owned a shower screen, ever. The shower at Dad's was like a bathtub with a shower curtain. No glass, 0. I mean, it's glass, I know how to clean glass, it's just shower terms, it gets a bit more grimy, a bit more grotty. I googled it just to make sure I knew what I was doing, and people love using dishwashing liquid, vinegar and water, so that's what we're gonna use today. So yeah, this is my shower combo. I've got dishwashing liquid. It's like this real nice mango-y flavor. It's really nice. Flavor, you know what I mean. Vinegar and water in a bottle, and then just like a little grout scrubber and a little cloth. And then I get in the shower. Amazing. Feels really weird in here being like fully clothed, but I'm literally just gonna like, oh, that's on my leg, okay. This is probably gonna be gross because of all my hair and stuff. Oh, jump scare. I should probably be wearing gloves for this. Anyway. That stays in the shower so that after every shower you wipe down the shower, and I think it helps to get rid of the lime scale. Is that what it's called? Lime scale. lime calcium buildup. You know what I'm talking about. I think that helps. I saw a tip about it once and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do that. Charli Clean smells amazing in here, by the way. Oh, whatever this stuff is, like, it's a limited edition. I hope they bring it out like actual, because this is so yummy. I'm like, oh, I want to drink it. I'm not gonna, but I want to drink it. I think the hardest thing about having a bathroom with grout is cleaning the grout. It's crazy how much extra cleaning goes into like having tiles and stuff. It's insane. But it truly makes such a difference. I don't know if you guys can see here, but it's quite dirty. So I'm just gonna put my little brush in the vinegar. It's amazing what a bit of vinegar can do. I've just come out to the laundry to, you can probably hear them already, oh my god, to pop on some towels because I found some towels down there, so I'm just gonna pop them on. But my magpie friends have come to visit. He's a little baby. I love him so much. There's 3 of them in my backyard. Have you come to say hello? There's one there. And there's one over there. Really? I love magpies so much. Anyway, we're gonna put my washing on. That's what I came out here to do. Back and get you. Hot tip for towels, vinegar always. And I just put it in the little liquid detergent area. And it just keeps the towels fresh and fluffy and nice for so much longer. I actually need to tidy up the laundry a little bit, so I'm just gonna quickly do that. Oh my god, didn't even realize my floors were that dirty, but here we are. Hi Robbie. Off he goes. It's so weird to me that we just have this little guy going around vacuuming, you know, even though I just vacuumed, I'm gonna let him do the other rooms because I can't be bothered. You know, if the robot's there, the robot's there, you know what I mean? May as well use him. I need to close the doors, otherwise he tries and gets in there, but he doesn't need to clean in there. I think he's under the bed right. Oh, there he is. It's so weird, it's so weird. I never realized how much dust is in my rug. Look at that. Later on, I'm gonna clear the sink, give the sink a clean, clean the dishwasher, you know how it goes. Massive shout out to my friend Michelle, who actually taught me how to clean my dishwasher, because up until this point I have not owned a dishwasher. Dad's house did not have one, and when I moved in with Tyler, they also didn't have a dishwasher. So I've never owned or had the opportunity to experience a dishwasher before. Oh, I love a clean kitchen. This is the best feeling ever. Okay, I've changed out of my dressing gown. I've got the chilly shirt on. It's time to lock in. Bring the girlies.
What the helly?
There are so many feathers because they're molting. This is all yours?
Might be.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, what the heck?
Fresh water? Is there water?
No.
Did some water in? Did some? Big sip. Yum. I also just tidied up my vanity area. It is very damaged by like water, product damage and all that. So we're going to ignore that. But I put my skincare there. Woo! So all I have to do is just wake up in the mornings, do my skincare, feel good. Okay, we have one more job to do before I sit down. Have a fat nap. We need to figure out if these are going to fit in the linen closet. So come with me down the hallway. Literally right here. Hi. Yeah, she's gonna fit, obviously. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the big one. All right, does it fit this way? Oh yeah, we're gonna be buying some more. I'm genuinely so happy that they fit, especially this way. I want to put like towels and linen and bits and bobs in them, and I want to replace these ugly little metal ones. I'm so excited, so I can go to Kmart and buy some more. Let's go. Not right now though, I need a nap. My house is clean.
I'm so happy.
But we're gonna go back to the room. I've got the Brodies in here because well, I'm gonna have a nap, but I'm just gonna let them do their thing. Are you girls ready? Do you girls wanna come hang out? Come on now. Oh my gosh, hi sweet pea. Hello. Most of the time people would not be excited to clean a whole house. Like they'd be like, My whole entire life I've been waiting to have a house of my own. And I feel like every chore, every job that I have to do in the house, it doesn't feel like that. Like I'm so grateful, I'm so blessed, and I'm just like, I've been waiting for this my whole entire life. Like I'm grateful that I get to clean a house. That's mine. A whole house, like, I'm so blessed. I don't know if you can see Emma's beak, but she's got a bit of green. You have been getting into the peas, girlfriend. Oh, you dropped a feather. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and there'll be more of these, 100%. And the more I do them, the more I'll fine tune them, get more realistic, get more in tune with it all. But today was kind of like the blueprint of everything, because this was the first ever Sunday reset in the house. So I was just kind of learning the routine, just kind of getting the rhythm, all that kind of stuff. I'm just so incredibly happy. I'm so incredibly grateful, and I can't wait to film more of these. So without further ado, I'm gonna hop into this bed, have a big fat nap, and I'll see you guys in my video next Sunday. So bye.